Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Gusto tax forms download for W-2s and 1099s, full guide step by step clearly. To install Gusto tax forms for W-2s and 1099s, start by visiting the Gusto website. Log into your Gusto account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the payroll section of the dashboard. Look for the tax forms option within the payroll menu. Select the option for downloading tax forms. You will see a list of available forms, including W-2s and 1099s. Choose the form you need by clicking on the corresponding download button. Confirm the tax year for which you are downloading the forms. After selecting the correct year, proceed to download the forms. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to ensure it is intact. If you need to print the forms, make sure your printer is connected and ready. Adjust the printer settings to fit the form size if necessary. Print the W-2s or 1099s as needed for distribution. For electronic submissions, ensure you follow the required format for your filings. Keep a backup copy of the forms for your records. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Gusto Help Center for additional support. Your forms are now ready for use and distribution. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.